Hello viewers, I would like you to meet my dog. How's a good girl? This is Laila, and as you can see, she is a beagle. Laila, or here, why don't we ask her? Laila, what do you like to do? It's not a hard question. You do it every day. She's a little shy. Laila eats, sleeps, and steals toys from my other dog. Don't you, baby? She is adorable. I love her so much. She's going to be 6 years old in October, which is also my birthday month, so we have that in common. She really likes to be pet, and if I stop, she usually gets mad at me for it. But not this time, I guess. What do you think, Laila? Yeah, there you go. Oh, sweet puppy. See, this is basically what she does all day. Out of all of my siblings, and even including my dad, me and my mom are her favorite. She loves us, and if my mom's not home, she follows me everywhere I go. And she's usually not allowed in my room because she eats candy, food, anything she can get her mouth in. She eats, and that's why she's got a big belly. But I love it. I love her. I actually did, I drew her one time. It was a stippling, I think. Her nickname is Laila Bell. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. We just started calling her that one time. One of the things, another thing about her is that she sheds a lot, which I'm just realizing makes it a horrible decision to put her on my bed right now. But, you know, look, see, she gets mad at me because I stopped petting her. Look, see, I'll pet you, sweet puppy. You're a sweet puppy. Here's something. She's really heavy. She snorts like a pig if you haven't heard her already. Come here, Laila. No! This is Daisy. That's my other dog. No, hey.
Daisy, come.
Shh. Good girl. So, it looks like Daisy has joined in on the fun. Daisy's not even a year old yet. We got her from my dad earlier this year because he's always wanted a chocolate lab. Oh, I love you too, baby. Laila, stay. Sit. Good girl. Laila and Daisy, they get along pretty well, but right now they really want to wrestle for some reason, so I'm going to have to keep them a little bit separate. Daisy is a lot more energetic than Laila is, which is understandable because Layla's a lot older. Daisy used to be really tiny, and now she's a big dog. I miss when she was tiny. But I still love you. Aw, kisses. There you go. Alright, but here's something I wanted to show you about Laila. Come here, baby. Come on. I got you. This little white dot here. She's had that ever since she was a baby, and I love it. They used to call her Dot. The breeders that had her before we got her, they called her Dot. And when we got her, I wanted to name her Princess. But, oh, Laila, come back! But, we ended up deciding on Laila, and that actually made me really happy. I'm glad that that happened. Daisy, Laila, come here! Okay, yeah, it looks like they're pretty done. So, there's dog hair all over my bed now. And all over me. And, oh, careful, guys. No! Laila, come here. Come here, Laila Bell. Daisy, come on. Daisy, come here. Come here. There you go. Sweet puppy. Laila, come here. Come here, Laila. Come on. Oh, look at that. You made it. No, no. No, bad dogs, bad dogs, bad dogs, bad dogs. Daisy, no. Ow, ow, ow. No, no, bad dogs, bad dogs. Don't fight. Ah! Ow, my hair is stuck. Okay, shh, 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 shh. You're okay. It's okay. Shh. I know, babies. It's okay. Yeah. My sweet puppy. See, I love her. She's really lazy, and she's a sweet dog. She's really loud. She barks at like every person that walks through our door, including us, but she usually just barks at us because she's excited, and other strangers, it's all bark and no bite. She's a really sweet dog, and right now she really doesn't want to be on camera. Daisy, there you go. Let's see if I stop petting her. She gets upset. Well, I guess that means we're done. See you guys next time.